historical aspects and sentiments expressed before us by Sri Desai. History is just like a flowing water. Every moment it is going away from us. But we will have to take it, and for generations we will have to keep intact and hand it over to them. I'm not blaming anybody. In Goa, we will give more and more importance to that aspect. So historical aspects of Goa, especially in 1961, that period, liberation movement was succeeding. 1946, Dr. Ramanohar Lohia, he is not from Goa, but as a national leader, a patriot, who started everything for the liberation. Pondicherry is concerned, 1953 or 54, they got liberated from French rule here. But why 14 years lapse for our Goan people to attain the freedom? So I thought of directing as a chancellor of Goan University to study all those aspects. 14 years lapse for a state, without any blame to anybody. A positive approach should be done in that case. Colonel Kandath and V.K. Krishnamenon, of course those two people are from my original state, Kerala. Krishnamenon, of course, without informing, one version, I don't know whether it is not supported by any document with me. Even for liberation, military action, direction to Kandath and other people, how these things are, liberation movement progressed at that time, and without much casualty, we got freedom. Chandravardan, my former secretary, is making a film on that aspect. That is what is told by him. I wondered about him because previously in 2015 and 2018, for national level that award for best Kongani film was made by him, but he didn't tell me about that. This is a situation in Goa. So we promote everybody. History is the historical field. We will have to promote more and more people. And our state is progressing. Every time the reports are there. That also we are not. Today I got an information. A congratulation to me. Actually, government is only, officially, of course, first citizen. But at the same time, administrative things are being done by government. Then the Bharatiya Mazdoor Sangh, the largest trade union in India, its president Saji Narayan, who was a lawyer in High Court of Kerala along with me, he sent a message today. He stated that the workers are concerned in India, the growth rate of salary and other things, that is beneficial to the working class. Less than 1% is the average of India. But in Goa, it is 6.4. He congratulated me. I have not replied, what is my role also. So I am saying all these things. This great man, of course, he contributed in a large scale contribution was there for the betterment of our state. And that time we were not a full-fledged state. But even then, you see, after the liberation, to put